Make exe files using Notepad. Before planning on authoring an executable file, you must first learn C++ programming skills. Once you are well versed with programming, you will be able to create executable programs on a text editor. Here are the steps on how to make an exe file using Notepad. 1. Launch Notepad. There are two ways for you to accomplish this task. A. Run command pull up the Start menu by pressing the Windows key on your keyboard or hitting the Start button using your mouse. Hit Run and on the text field provided, type Notepad. Press the Enter key or hit OK. B. Start menu via Programs. Hit the Start button or press the Windows key on your keyboard to populate the Start menu. If you are using the classic Start menu, hover your mouse on Programs, and if using the standard Start menu, hover your mouse on all programs. Then hit Accessories to populate the submenu. Locate Notepad and right-click on it. To familiarize yourself with keyboard combinations that would help you when you're ready to write the C++ programming language that make up your executable file. Press Alt on your keyboard and then simultaneously key in the combinations. One combination is composed of 3 digits that range from numbers 000 to 999. After each combination, release your hold on the Alt key. You may also want to take note of the symbols each combination generates. Bear in mind that each combination will produce a different symbol. 3. Begin writing your executable file. Using the C++ programming language, author the exe file using the combinations you took note of in the second step. As a reminder, remember to release your hold on the Alt key every 3 digits that you enter. 4. Save the programming you've done so far. To prevent unnecessary loss of data and time spent writing the program, save your work every few minutes as a text file until you're done with programming. Pull up the Save As dialog box to save your work. The following are ways for you to pull it up. A. Using a shortcut key. On your keyboard, press Ctrl and S simultaneously to pull up the Save As pane. B. Using Notepad's menu bar. Using your mouse, hit File on the menu bar and then select Save As. When Save As box populates, input the file name next to the corresponding text field and ensure that Save As type is Text Documents, star.txt. Repeat saving the document as you go along programming by pressing Ctrl and S. 5. When you're done writing the C++ programming language that make up your exe file, Save it as an executable file. Hit File on the menu bar and then select Save As. Input a file name next to its corresponding field, then add .exe after it. On the drop-down menu next to Save As type, change Text Documents, star.txt, to All Files and press the Save button. Your executable file is now created. Remember that when you make executable files on your own, that there is a great possibility of it harming your system, so be very careful when doing programming.